Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie in tiers of the kingdom. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. You'll need 5 apples, 1 cane sugar, 1 tabantha wheat, and 1 goat butter. Make sure all your ingredients are fresh to ensure the best possible taste. You'll also need a cooking pot or a portable cooking device to combine everything. This simple recipe is a great way to restore hearts and boost your adventure. Once you have all your ingredients, head to any cooking pot you find in the game or use a portable cooking device if you're on the go. Open your inventory and select one of each ingredient: an apple, cane sugar, tabantha wheat, and goat butter. Hold them in your hand, then simply drop them into the pot. The magic will happen automatically, and you'll soon have a delicious apple pie. After cooking, your apple pie is ready to enjoy. This delightful dish restores a substantial amount of lynx hearts, making it perfect for recovering during tough battles or long journeys. It's a straightforward recipe that provides great value for its ingredients. Don't be afraid to experiment with other fruits you find in Hyrule to discover even more delicious dessert recipes for your adventures. Here are a few pro tips for your culinary journey. Always collect ingredients like apples, cane sugar, and tabantha wheat whenever you encounter them, so you're never short. Cooking multiple pies at once can save you time and ensure you have a steady supply of heart-restoring meals. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Happy adventuring!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.